Today we are going to start working on a book that we will be writing about plants. You're going to start with your paper and your stapler. So we're going to get out 5 sheets of plain white printing paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, on a table, tap the edges to try to make sure that the corners are lined up. Now take your book, fold it from one side to the other. Press the sides together so they match and pinch down the middle. Pinch down the sides. And then you'll staple the edges. Make sure whenever you're stapling that you don't go too far over. You want to be right on the edge. You might ask an adult to help you with this part. If at any point during this video today you start to get behind or you need a little bit more time on something, just pause the video and finish what I just did before you go on. So your book should look like this. Now, look at the cover and try to open it like you would read a book. Set it in front of you and make sure that you don't have it upside down or facing the wrong way. Because whenever we read a book, we start with the closed edge, the binding of the book. We start with that on our left. So make sure that whenever you start yours is on the left like this. Okay? Today we are going to number the pages and we're going to make the cover of our book. First, we are going to number our pages. So open your book like this, and on the bottom of the page, in the middle, we're going to write our first number. 1 for page 1. And I'm going to put a little circle around my numbers. That's just what I want to do for my book, but since you're the author, you can decide if you want to put a circle around it, if you just want to leave it blank. If you want to do a different color each time, it's your choice. Now do 2 on this side. One, 2. Now on the next pages, we're going to do 3 and 4. It's okay if it's not perfectly in the middle. So if it's not perfectly in the middle, don't worry, it's all right. 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 'Continue numbering your pages all the way to the last page of your book. You do not have to put a page number right here. Just all the way to right here. Doing 7 and 8. 9 and 10. 11 and 12. 13 and 14. 15 and 16. 17 and 18. Those are my last 2 pages. Make sure that you have all of your pages numbered the way that I showed you. Don't number your cover page or your back cover. And after you have all of your pages numbered, continue this video. Okay, so we have all of our pages numbered. An informational book teaches you about something. In reading today, you looked at informational books about plant defenses. You're going to be writing an informational book about plants. You're going to write to tell people about plants, and you're going to keep a log of observations of a plant that you plant in a little cup. You can do this experiment over fall break or the week after fall break, and I'll be leaving the materials in your weekly bags that you can pick up at the end of the week. So that's what you're going to be putting into your informational book. Our book is going to be about plants. So today we're going to make a cover page. A cover page shows the title of the book, the author, and a picture to show what the book is going to be about. So first, you need to think about what you want the title of your book to be. For me, I'm going to make the title of my book Plants. I just want to make it super simple. If you want to choose another title that is also that also tells the reader what they're going to be reading about, you can do something else. Just make sure that your title tells what the book is going to be about. And our book this first time is going to be about plants. So you can do the same one as me, or you can choose your own. Plants. Then at the bottom or right under it, wherever you want, you're going to write the author. The author is someone who writes the book. So for me, I'm going to put by Miss Rag. I'm just going to write that at the bottom for me, but you can write it somewhere else on your book if you want. Author, Miss Rag. You could also put by, then your name, or you could put author, your name, illustrator, then your name. It's your choice. Now you're going to decorate your front cover. Whenever you decorate, you're going to choose pictures that represent what your book is going to be about. So for me, I'm just going to draw a very simple picture. If you want to draw a more complicated picture, you can. That's your choice on what you want to do. So for me, I'm just going to draw a cloud. I'm going to draw the sun shining through, because we learned yesterday that plants need sunshine, among other things, in order to grow. So I'm going to do a sun. And I'm just going to do grass, a stem, some leaves, and a little flower. This is a picture that represents what my book is going to be about, because this is an informational book. It teaches people about something. In this case, it's teaching people about plants. So today, your job is to build your book by folding and stapling 5 pieces of paper. Then you are going to number your pages. And you are going to put your title, the author, and picture for your front cover. When you are finished, I want you to take a picture of your front cover in Seesaw and share that with me. Have a great day.